watch the game with Bruce, and they were both big Bucks fans. And he would just clean my coil. So I have no idea. No idea what it is to clean, where they are. Although I worked for the service, I didn't really know much of anything other than office work.
Yeah.
And I was good at retrieving lost funds. When I started for all of my employers, they noticed how good I was at getting people to pay up.
Just one more time, please.
No problem.
Getting people to pay up is a talent. You might just be hired. I might have to hire you.
Oh, you've got some outstanding bills? You got some people with some outstanding bills?
Yeah, well, we just have a couple of warranty companies just now, but that are left. My mother-in-law has done an amazing job, but there's a couple of stragglers that have owed money for a long time, and they just don't seem to want to pay.
Okay. Do you still do business with them?
We're not taking any jobs until they pay.
Oh, okay.
You don't pay us, we're not going to do the work, right?
Oh, yeah. That's true.
Yeah. Okay, so your drain down here is pretty clear.